Good afternoon. Welcome to Happy Go Lucky again. This afternoon I'm going through some Bilt Hamber, one of the most magical products that you can imagine. Bilt Hamber Surfex HD. Excuse my throat, got a biscuit stuck in it. This product's got so many uses, it's off the chart. You need to buy some to try it. Here's just a few. Surfex HD at 50%, that's for engine degreasing, any type of degreasing. Chip fat, clean your oven, your grill, anything like that, anything where it's really barbecue, anything you like, really burnt on stuff, it will clean it. Then you have right down to panel wipe, 2% Surfex HD, 70% water and 28% alcohol. That's your panel wipe, cheap panel wipe. Surfex HD, which I'm using today, 2%, as little as 2%. You can use it at 1%. And I'm using this today to clean my mats because the mats are absolutely filthy. These mats have been in there all winter and they're coming out, look, and they're going away for the summer. I'm going to get my, can you zoom in on those and just show how bad they are? I'm going to clean those mats with 2% and it'll clean them spotless. 10% cleans your filthy tyres and it cleans your tyres absolutely spotless. There's so many uses for it, it's crazy. Just try it, you'll be surprised how many different uses you can put this stuff to. Carpets in the house. If you get anything on your carpet in the house, use it on the carpets. Upholstery in the house, use it on that. Get something on your shirt, it fetches marks out of your shirt. The uses are unlimitless. I mean, it's one of the most incredible things ever. The surfactants in this are pretty much what's in everything that's in any household product that's made and that you buy, that's in anything in the house and it's in any other product in car detailing. And this is what's in this, in various different ratios with different scents and colours all mixed in. You must wash it out and make sure your pets don't, you can't get your pets, if you get your pets don't get drinking any of this, whatever you do, no. It's hazardous. It tells you here, you've got your little red triangle. So always read your hazards. And Bilt Hamber are fantastic with this. Look, all the health and safety warnings, they're all on it. I'm pretty bad at this and I should be marking this out and I don't. I just get down to what the product does, bang, 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 and I should be marking this out. But yeah. Look at your health and safety, it's very important. I do read it myself and I do follow it, but I haven't got time to go through it. I want to get this review done, so I'm going to get straight into it. Put this down here. I just wanted to show you some of the products, that some of the things that this can do, and get into it because we don't have the time always to get these things done. So let's get, I'm going to weaken it down even further because it's so hot here today. If I spray this on, even at 2%, with this being hot, it's going to almost, straight away, crikey, it's been that long since I've used it. There we go, here we're going. Let's get it going. You watch this foam up. It's got all that water on it, and watch this foam up. At 2%, so it's actually probably less than 1%. You watch this. It's absolutely, it's magical stuff. It's so powerful. Incredible stuff. Bilt Hamber chemists, they must be the most, well, they're not in it for the money, I don't believe. They're the most value for money products anywhere in car detailing. Look at the muck coming off. Just look at that. Look at the suds. I mean, look at that. That must be at about 0.5% with all the water that's already in that. It's just a joke, isn't it? And it will come clean. It will come clean. Look at it. I mean, it's unbelievable, isn't it? Look at that. Look at the soap off that. 2% mixed with all that water. You got to see it to believe it, haven't you? Incidentally, this brush, it's a paintbrush. You've seen me use it before. It's like an Og's airbrush in a way. I don't know how long it'll last. I use it all the while. It's lasting well. This has got months and months worth of grime and filth in this. Look at that though. Isn't that going well? I should be wearing gloves. I should be, because it's very powerful and it's not going to do my hands the world of good. But I'm going to be done so quick and wash my hands. I have to be over it. Look at the suds. Just look at that. Nearly done already. If I hadn't have demonstrated it, you wouldn't have actually believed that, would you? You really wouldn't. I know you wouldn't have believed it, because you say 2%, nah, impossible. Look at the little bit that's got over there. A bit more water on that. Let's make it down to about 1,000,000%. Look at that. I mean, that's just berserk, isn't it? How powerful is this stuff? Really, really, really powerful stuff. But like I say, it fetches chip fat off, it degreases your grill pan. Anything that other chemicals doesn't fetch off, this fetches off. It'll degrease your car engine. Where gunk won't fetch it off, this will fetch it off. At about 50% if it's really bad. But it'll fetch it off. I'm going to take it to my friend's car workshop and demonstrate it to him. He's not seen Bilt Hamber products, not yet. And he's going to be amazed when he sees it, because I'm going to take over their rust products and things, because he does a lot of rust preventative work on Jaguars and things. And I'm going to show him, because I've used their rust preventative products in the past. And that's something, again, something that they're experts at. You get yourself a good brush like this, it gets in between all of these bits so easy. Look at the muck coming out of there, look at that. This is just going to come out of these and it's going to be so easy. You pay all your money, I'm not joking. That one can there, I'm going to have to look it up and put it on the thing how much it is. But you'd probably pay £500 for how much you'd water that down and how many uses that you'd put that to. Because you pay like £9.95 for an interior detailing spray, and this does that at about 1%. Admittedly, it's not got the smell to it, but if you want to pay £9.95 for a smell, when this cleans better, well, you pay £9.95 for your smell, that's up to you. But this cleans just as good, for nothing. You know, this is like pennies. You buy a can of that and that will practically last you a lifetime. I've had that can now. It's more than half still there, and I've been ever so wasteful with it. I've given it away. I've given litres of it away, a couple of litres away to other people to demonstrate it. And it's like, look at all the water that's in that, and I've just sprayed a little bit and it's got all that foam in it. Look at that. I mean, it's balmy, isn't it, how powerful it is? But it is, it's strong and good down to 0.5%. You don't think it's possible, but it is. If Bilt Hamber say it's good to 0.5%, you can guarantee it is good to 0.5%. That's basically how it works. If they say it is, it works. And John Deleu, he ran touchless. Just stand back, if this gets on your dress you're going to need to wash it. John Deleu run touchless at 0.5%, and I'm sure they say 1%, and it worked fine at 0.5%. So it really is, it's terrific stuff. I'm going to demonstrate more and more of the products as this week goes on. I'm going to have a Bilt Hamber week, I think. We'll see how we go. Got loads of their products, and I think I'm going to have a Bilt Hamber week. See how we go. Right, look at the muck there. Look at that muck. Look at that. Look at that in there, look. Look at that. Right. Look at that. Unbelievable, isn't it? Right, I'm just going to pop the power washer on that. If you want to stand back, I'll put the power washer. This may have a P80 Evolution with the long extendable lance that comes with it. Just look at the muck coming out of that, look. Brush there and give that a bit of a rinse. Now the table, because the table's absolutely, look at the colour of the table. Not even hard work for me, that. Let's let them dry for a moment. Just look at that. I mean, crikey. They're gonna look like new. You could put all the cleaners on it you want, and they're not gonna come cleaner than that. and that's, I can't even imagine how cheap that is. There's a stone there, look. Have a look how, oh, I think it's £29 for 5 litres, but I'm going to look it up. But 5 litres, that's going to make 10,000 litres, I think so, at 2%. I'll have to look it up. It sounds like a lot, that does, but amazing, isn't it? Just look at that. They're absolutely spotless, look. So they were originally, the mixture was originally at 2%, and I think by the time I'd finished watering it down, it's probably somewhere near the original 0.5% that Bilt Hamber said that you could water it down to. So yeah, here we go. That's my bottle of mixed up 2%. That's my 50% for cleaning chip pans, grill pans, etc. Panel wipe at 2% with 70% water, 2% Surfex HD. Then 10% Surfex HD, that's for cleaning tyres. And here's the magical product in its neat form. I'm just going to release it. There she comes. I'll just take the thanks a lot. Thanks for watching me wash my mats. They've come out nice and clean. I'm delighted with them. It's cost about twopence halfpenny to clean them all up. If you know what twopence halfpenny is in English money, that's about, I don't know, probably 5 cents in dollars. Bilt Hamber stuff is certainly very, very cheap and economical. I'm going to do lots of Bilt Hamber products this week. I've had a look in my workshop and I've got no end of Bilt Hamber products, much more than what I thought I'd got. And I'm going to come out with lots of projects, lots of exciting things for you to have a look at later this week. So we're going to have some fun. Have a nice day. I'm going to look out for some things, see what we can do, and have some fun later on in the week. So thumbs up, enjoy yourself, have fun. Bye for now.